welcome back to another live trading episode with your boy Money Spence. In today's live trading episode, we'll be utilizing support and resistance levels to take on real trades in real time. Let's take a deep dive into the morning session. All right, family. So for the Qs, we have a key pre-market support level. It's currently at $525.75. And we have a key pre-market resistance level for the Qs. It's currently at $528.75. Keep a close eye on those levels when the market, opens up. But for some odd reason, I feel like we may possibly, pull back on the open. I'm not 100% sure though. Let me check the levels for SPY really quick. And for SPY, we have a key pre-market support level. It's currently at $604.83. We have a key pre-market resistance level at $606.72. So keep a close eye on that, family. All right, so the market's about to open in approximately 20 seconds. Let me pull up the big screen for us so we can start getting busy. And getting to the money. All right, so for the Qs, I have a key resistance level based on the Fibonacci resistance levels. It's currently at $527.27. Let's see if we'll continue to hold that level. Let's go. But I don't know, for some odd reason, I feel like we may pull back on the open just a little tad bit. It's not going to be a major pullback, just for a little tad bit. Let me set up my platform really quick. All right, so let's see if we can hold VWAP. We have VWAP at $527.02. I may get in for a quick scalp towards the downside pretty soon. Let me pull up my chart. Let me share. All right, damn, we just broke below that key. Fuck. So just how I predicted, family, I knew that was going to happen. I knew it was going to be a slight pullback on the open. Damn, and I was just about to get in for a short position towards the downside. But you see that strong 1 minute bearish candle, just how we predicted. Grant, good morning, family. Good morning. Damn, that would have been a beautiful scalp to the downside, family. All right, so we have a 5 minute bearish candle developing on the open for the Qs. Keep a close eye on a possible move towards the downside. For the Qs, we have a key level at 526.48. So I just missed my short opportunity. This is what happens when you get to your damn laptop, late, but it's okay. Keep a close eye on 526.48. We may continue to possibly pull back a little tad bit. All right, so let me see if we can trend back up, and I may try to get in for a move back towards the downside.
Order filled.
Come on, there we go. Beautiful. I'm gonna take those profits.
Order filled.
All right, just secure profits on a quick short towards the downside on the Q, just as we predicted. The Qs pulled back on the open. So I'm currently up $315.78 for the day. Let's go. That's how we start the day off, family. Let's go. So let's go back to the big screen really quick. Let's go back to the big screen. Good morning, Jacob. Good morning. Good morning. All right, so for the Qs, we have a key level at $526.48. We're finding some buyers on the open right now. We're finding some buyers on the open on the 5 minute time frame, but I may possibly get back in for a quick scalp back towards the downside. But the buyers, they're definitely stepping in on the open at the moment.
Order filled.
All right, come on. Let's see what's going to happen right here. The buyers, they're stepping in right now, but we still have a 5 minute bearish candle on our chart. Let's go. Let's see how this move is going to play out. That was a hard bounce.
Order filled.
And I believe the jobless claims data that was released at 8:30 a.m., if I'm not mistaken, I believe that news was bullish. So let's see how the market is going to start, holding up. For the Qs, we have a key level at 527.27. That's a Fibonacci resistance level. I'm currently short on the Qs once again, and I'm going to take those profits.
Order filled.
All right, so I carried profits once again on the Qs, and I decided to get in near the 9 in the 21 EMA. So I got in right here off of this red rejection off of the 21 EMA. And then I played it back down towards the downside. And if you look at the open on the 1 minute time frame, we had two strong 1 minute bearish candles that dropped towards the downside. Now I'm currently flat on all positions. And for the day, I'm currently up about $325.58 to start the day off. And now the buyers, they're coming back in on the 1 minute time frame. Now, let's see if we're going to get a nice bounce back towards the upside. Go back to the big screen for us really quick so we can look at our support and resistance levels. And remember, for QQQ, we have a key resistance level at 527.27. That's going to be a key resistance level. If we break that level and hold, it's a strong possibility that we'll continue to move higher. Let me set up an alert above that level. And we're starting to pull it back again. Yeah, it seemed like we're having a difficult time breaking back above that 527.27 price zone. Currently flat on all positions at the moment. Just waiting patiently for the next opportunity.
Order filled.
There we go. Beautiful. Just went short on the Qs again. I'm going to take profits.
Order filled.
All right, just secure profits on the Qs once in towards the downside. I noticed that we were rejecting certain lows on the 1 minute time frame. And this 1 minute bearish candle right here started to pull towards the downside. So I sold right here off of this bounce. Now for the day, currently up $348.88 to start the trading day off. And you see we keep bouncing off of those key levels. Let's go back to the big screen for the Qs so I can show you all where we were bouncing at. And let's go to the 1 minute time frame really quick. All right, beautiful. So we just broke above that 527 level. Now the next key level that we'll need to break above, it's going to be at 527.42. That's a key intraday resistance level. If we break above that level, I'm going to go in for a move towards the upside for a quick scalp. I'm not going to stand this move too long. I want to see if we're going to break above that 527.42 price zone. If we don't, I'll go short again, possibly for a quick scalp towards the downside.
Order filled.
Come on, let's go. Beautiful. Come on. We just bounced again. Okay. We just bounced once again. Now, let's see if we can break 527.42. We just bounced. I'm currently short on the Qs. Once again, I'm going to take those profits.
Order filled.
All right, I just secured profits on the Qs. Once again, I noticed that this 1 minute bearish candle right here, it was having a difficult time breaking and holding above this Fibonacci resistance level. We was having a difficult time breaking above that level. So I got in, I think, right here at 935, and then I sold my entire position right here at 936. Now, we may continue to pull back, and we may continue to experience a little bit, a little bit of choppiness on the, I should have stayed in my position. Let me get back in right here.
Order filled.
Come on, let's go. Come on. Let's go. Beautiful. Come on. Keep dropping, Debbie. I'm going to take those profits.
Order filled.
All right, just secure profits once again for a short towards the downside. We were rejecting this Fibonacci resistance level number 1, and we may approach the 40-day moving average price. That's currently around 526.48. Keep a close eye on that level. If we break below $526.48, it's a possibility that we may possibly go lower. Keep a close eye on that level. And keep a close eye on the $527.42 level for the Qs towards the upside. If we break above that level, it's a strong possibility that we'll continue to move higher. But at this current moment, we're currently bearish towards the downside. And that's the move that I've been playing, I've been playing, bearish moves towards the downside. But sometime today, we're going to probably, bounce sometime today, and we're going to start trending back up towards upside. So keep a close eye on a move towards the upside today. But we need to figure out where the Qs are going to have a strong bounce at. So for the day, I'm currently up about $420.48 to start off the trading day. And now I'm just waiting patiently for the next opportunity. Let's go to the 5-minute time frame really quick so we can see how the 5-minute candle look. Let's see. Let me go to the big screen really quick. Let's go back to the big screen. Actually, you know what? Let's go to Fidelity's play really quick. I want to see how our trend indicator is looking on the 5-minute time frame. And at this current moment, the overall market, it is currently bullish at this current moment. But we need AVGL, Netflix, AMD, Google, and Tesla to turn green as well for the Qs to start pumping towards the upside. But at this current moment, the Qs, they are currently, pulling back. So that's the primary reason I was playing a short position towards the downside. Now, if the Qs lose 526.40, that's a strong bearish confirmation towards the downside. But we may possibly bounce off of, and let me adjust my support and resistance levels. Let me go to the 1-minute time frame. All right, so for the Qs, we may possibly bounce off of $526.38. But at this current moment, we're still pulling back. All right, let me go back to the 5-minute time frame. All right, so let's go back to the big screen really quick so we can get a better read on the overall market. Let's go. And I'm also keeping a close eye on the MACD for a possible trend reversal. At this current moment, I'm not really seeing a strong trend reversal on the 1-minute time frame for the MACD. So I'm not going to go long yet. I'm just going to, continue to stay short, and I'll buy close to this resistance level unless we drop below 526.48. And I'm going to adjust that level to 526.40. I'll adjust that level to 526.40. All right, so the MACD at the bottom of our screen, it looks like it's turning green. Keep a close eye on that indicator for a possible reversal. But if you look at the 5-minute time frame, we'll get a different read. So on the 5-minute time frame, if we look at the MACD, it's not really giving us an indication for a move towards the upside or downside because we're still trading near this purple line. So let's wait for a strong confirmation. I'm currently flat on all positions at this current moment. Let's go back to the 1-minute time frame. I love utilizing the 1-minute time frame for my entries. Let's go. And good morning, everyone who just joined us. Grant, good morning, family. Jacob, good morning. Stock up, good morning, family. So was anybody able to make any, profits for the first, 12 minutes of the trading day? Was anybody able to make any profits? Drop a message in the chat if you was able to make some money. Hold on 1 second. I think I'm about to go short again.
Order filled.
Come on, let's go. Come on. Keep going low. Keep going low. There we go. Beautiful. Come on, keep going. Don't bounce on me right here. We just bounced. Could have secured profits, but I didn't. I'm gonna wait patiently. Come on. Wait patiently. All right, so for my current position, I'm currently down about $17.20. Oh, let me take that back. It's starting to turn green, possibly. Come on, pull back for us. Let me go to the 1-minute time frame really quick. So I'm currently down about $20 on this position. It may turn green pretty soon. Come on, pull back. There we go. Beautiful. All right, so I'm currently green on it. Let's go. Come on, pull back. There we go. Beautiful. Thinking about taking profits on this one pretty soon. It's a little choppy. I would like to sell close to this 755 zone. Beautiful. Come on, keep pulling back. I'm gonna take profits right now.
Order filled.
I think I just suffered a small loss on that play. It was taking too long to develop. So I decided to, get out. Now we may continue to pull back, but it's a lot of happiness going on the open. So please keep that in mind if you do decide to trade at a fast rate. And we have about 2 more minutes before this 15-minute candle close. We have about 2 more minutes before this 15-minute candle close. And if you look at this 15-minute candle, right, it's bearish, but it's closing, it's trying to close higher. So that's giving us a signal that the buyers may be, entering in on the Qs at the moment. So keep a close eye on $527.42. If we break that level, we may continue to go higher. We may continue to go higher. Let me go back to the big screen. And for the Qs, we have a key level at $528. All right, beautiful. We just broke above that level. All right, so the buyers, they finally stepped in. Let's go. The buyers finally stepped in. I just missed my buy entry as well. Just missed my buy entry on the Qs towards the upside. Keep a close eye on the move towards the upside. We may start pumping.
Order rejected.
Fuck. I hate when this shit happen, bro.
Order rejected.
How the fuck is my order rejecting, bro? Oh, that's why. All right, so the buyers, they just stepped in, family.
Order rejected.
Come the hell on, man. As soon as the buyers step in, my platform is starting to act up, and it's not allowing me to process a trade. Keep a close eye on QQQ calls towards the upside. And if you're an options trader, you can keep a close eye on the $528 calls through the $530 calls. All right, so now we're starting to pull back a little tad bit. I'm going to see if I can get in for a healthy retracement pretty soon.
Order rejected.
Come on, bruh. Why is my orders rejecting? Don't have a clue what's going on with this platform. Nice buying opportunity right now towards the upside. I am missing out on the action. Let me go to 67. Yeah, I'm not quite sure what's going on with my platform.
Order rejected.
Man, this shit would happen when the Qs start pumping towards the upside, bro. Fuck. Keep a close eye on that 528.78 price zone for the Qs. I don't know if I'm locked out of my account or what.
Order rejected.
What's the reason? And now we're currently pulling back. So I wanted to get in on the cues right here at 9:44 a.m. on this strong 1-minute bullish candle. I wanted to get in right here, right? Strong 1-minute bullish candle. And I would have sold my entire position right here on this 1-minute bullish candle. We had a green MACD on the 1-minute time frame, a green RSI. And that was giving me confirmation, to go higher. So I'm not quite sure, what's going on with my platform, but it's not allowing me to place a trade. Yeah, it's not allowing me to place a trade. I'm not feeling that because I missed out
Order
on.
filled.
Oh, so I just got filled for 5 fucking contracts. That's why.
Order filled.
All right, family. So I just sold. I had an order already in transit, right? I had an order already in transit. And that's why the system wasn't allowing me to place an order because I already had an order
filled.
working. All right, so now we're fucking pulling back, man. Damn. As soon as I get in, bro, I get in at the wrong fucking time. Fucking distractions, bro. All right, so we're currently pulling back on the cues at the moment. Let's see if we can continue to hold this 527.27 zone. That was our resistance level number 1 earlier. Missed a beautiful opportunity for long at 9:44 a.m. through 9:45 a.m. off of those strong 1-minute bullish candles. But that's where the buyers stepped in at, family. That's where the buyers stepped in at. So let's see if this move is going to continue to go higher. It may possibly continue, but we'll know for sure pretty soon. All right, so I'm currently long on the cues at the moment. Currently long on the cues. Let's see how this play. All right, so I'm currently green on this play. Let's go. Come on, beautiful. Currently up about $80. Let's see if we can continue to push high. Currently up 100 and some change. Let's go. I wonder if I should average into this position to buy a little bit more. I'll buy a little bit more right here.
Order filled.
Come on. Let's go. Keep pushing. Keep pushing. Don't fake us out. Keep pushing. I'm currently green on this long towards the upside. We're pulling back a little tad, but I'm currently red on my play. I'm not going to panic, though. I know the buyer stepped in right here and right here. So hopefully this move will continue to go higher. Let me look at the 5-minute time frame really quick. All right, so we have a beautiful, well, it's not a beautiful 5-minute candle, but it's a green, 5-minute bullish candle. I'm currently green on this play up a small amount. Come on, let's see if we can push higher. I would like for us to break above this 814 level on the cues. I'm currently long on the cues. Let's see if this move can work out for us. And I'm going to let this play out. I'm not going to panic. I'm going to let this play out. Currently 100 and some change. Beautiful. Come on, let's go. Let me go to the 1-minute time frame really quick. All right, damn, I'm up 300 and some change. That was fast. Let's go. All right, I'm going to take profits right now.
Order filled.
All right, just secured profits on that long play towards the upside. Thinking about getting back in. Keep a close eye on the cues towards the upside, family. The buyers are currently stepping in. Let's go. Come on. Pump. So I should have sold my entire position up here. I sold prematurely. Let me see if I can get a healthy retracement pullback entry close to our 9 EMA. So for the day, I'm currently up about $798.82 to start the day. Come on. I don't know if we're going to pull back. All right, let me get in right here. I think I missed my entry.
Order filled.
All right, so I just got filled. Come on, let's go. Push. Push. And I'm buying close near key levels. Buying close near key levels. Come on, let's go. Currently green on this play. Beautiful. Come on, keep pushing higher. Let me look at the 5-minute time. Oh, damn, I'm up. Beautiful. Let's go. That's what I'm talking about. Up 100 and some, well, 85 at the moment. Come on, keep pushing. Keep pushing. All right, I'm gonna take profits right now.
Order filled.
All right, just secure profits on the Qs. Currently up $859.54 for the day. All right, let's see if we can pull back to this non-EMA. If we pull back to that non-EMA and bounce, I'll get back in right there for a possible bounce back towards the upside. Let's go to the swim platform. And remember, family, we said, hey, if we break above this $527.27 price zone, that's a key bullish level towards the upside. That's a key bullish level towards the upside. All right, so now we have our next key zone for the Qs is going to be at $528.78. I am currently flat on all positions at this current moment. Now, I may get back in if the Qs bounce off of $527.27. That's our Fibonacci resistance 1 level. We're currently pulling back now. I'm so glad I sold my entire position.
Order filled.
All right, so I just got back in long towards the upside. Let's see how this move is going to work out. All right, come on. Let me take profits.
Order filled.
All right, just secure profits once again for a long towards the upside. Thinking about getting back in. I want to see how this 1-minute candle is going to close before I get back in. I would like for us to bounce off of that Fibonacci zone, though, before I get back in, honestly. I would like for us to pull back a little bit more and bounce near that 527.27 price zone. Love you. And if everybody can do me a favor, please click that like button for me, please. We have about 26 members on here at the moment. We only have about 4 likes. All right, so we're starting to pull back a little tad bit. I'm watching this 527.27 price zone. If we bounce, I'm going to buy right there for a move back towards the upside. I sold all of my positions, I think around either 9:53 a.m. or 9:55 a.m.
Order filled.
Come on, bounce. Come on, bounce. It's not bouncing. Come on. And we're still above the Fibonacci resistance level number 1, and we're currently above the 40-day moving average as well. So that's still a good sign for us to continue to move higher. But we need them buyers to step in how they stepped in at 9:44 through 9:45 a.m. We need those buyers to step in for us. Begin, family. Let me go back to the chart. All right, so I'm currently down on my current position at the moment. Currently down on it. Just waiting patiently right now. I'm down about 80 bucks at the moment. I'm not going to panic since I'm already, green about 700 and some odd change for the day. So I'm just risking, honestly, my profits that I already made for the day. And I probably risk a little bit more. It's okay. All right, so I'm currently at 100 and some change at the moment. 200 and some change. Okay. All right, let me go to the big screen because I want to see how the Qs are 527.27 price zone. We may bounce in that area. All right, so we're approaching it. Let's see if we're going to bounce now. 527.27.
Order filled.
All right. Come on. Hopefully we don't get faked out in this area. Come on. So I just purchased one more off of that bounce off of 527.27. Now, hopefully the move, works out. Hopefully it work out. If it don't work out, lesson learned. Lesson learned if it work out. Let's go. Come on, lesson learned if it doesn't work out. Let's go back to the big screen really quick. All right, we're still holding it. The buyers, they stepped in at 9:59 a.m. Come on, we need them buyers to step in. And once again, we need to break above 527.82. All right, beautiful. The move is starting to work out now. So I purchased at a great time. Now, hopefully this move will continue higher from here. We need to break above 527.82 now. That's a key intraday resistance price zone. I feel like we're going to break that level though. Just got to wait patiently. I'm currently green on my play finally. I was just down about 400 and some change. I didn't panic though. Your boy didn't panic. I'm just waiting patiently. And I had a strong, feeling that we were going to bounce in that 527.27 price zone. So I decided, stay in my position. Now, hopefully he'll, work out for us. Now I'm back down about 300 and some change. Yeah, hopefully we don't break below that 527.27 price zone. Hopefully we'll continue to hold it, but it looked like we're about to lose it. And that's honestly a key level for us. That's honestly a key level for us. So some buyers, they may step in around this price zone. Let's see how this 1 minute candle is going to close. All right, so that 1 minute candle, it just closed. I wish I would have took my profits around, let me see. I wish I would have secured profits at 10 a.m. That was a great profit taking point for my long position. All right, so we're trading near VWAP at the moment. Let's see if we'll bounce. Let's see if we'll recapture 527.27. This 1 minute candle is about to close in about 2 more seconds. All right, there we go.
Order filled.
Buy a little bit more right here. Let's go. Come on, pump. Pump. Come on, I need this thing to pump, family. If it don't, I'm gonna suffer a loss. This thing don't pump. I'm currently down about 400 and some change at the moment on this play. So if this thing doesn't work out, it's gonna be danger for your boy. It's gonna be danger for your boy. So I'm currently holding 3 contracts at the moment. Man, if we break below this level right here, I'm gonna stop out on my position. If we break below this level. All right, so now I'm only down about 300, 200 and some change, 300 and some change. I think I'm still green for the day, about 700 and some change. So that's a good sign for us. Now we just need them buyers to step in. Now I'm only down 100 and some change. Let's go. And I'm, just relaxing. I'm not going to panic. I have my stop loss in place. If things, do go south, it's okay if things go south. Yeah, it is okay. All right, so we're currently pulling back on the 1 minute time frame at the moment. Currently down 1,000 and some change on this current play. Man, I'm thinking about getting out of this thing pretty soon if we trim back up here. It's taking too long for the play to develop. Let me go to the 5 minute time frame. Okay, so we're still holding these EMAs. Okay, so that's a good sign. We're still holding the EMAs. It's not like we're trading below the EMAs on the 5 minute time frame. So I guess that's still good. So now I just got to wait patiently for the move to, trim back up higher. All right, so now I'm down about 500 and some change. Okay. All right. Come on. Come on, buyers, step in. Come on. We need to break above the 9 and the 21 EMA on the 1 minute time frame. Wait for these buyers to step in. Come on, buyers, step in and bless us. Come on, step in and start pushing this thing back towards the upside. And they should step in this price zone because this strong bullish candle right here, it seemed like the buyers, they stepped in right there around the 764 price zone. All right, so I'm currently green on the play. Let's go. Stay in the course. Come on. Pay us some Benjamins, baby. Currently green on my play. I'm going to look to take profits pretty soon. Currently up 200 and some change on this play. Let's go. Beautiful. I'm going to take profits.
Order filled.
All right. Just secured profits on the Qs. Currently up 1,000 and some change for the day. And I'm going to get back in right here.
Order filled.
All right. So I'm only going to do one contract right here in this price zone. I'm only going to do one contract. I'm not going to go too heavy. Not going to go too heavy. And good morning, everyone who just joined us. Good morning. Stock up said day 5 payout. Great job, my brother. Get that payout. Get that money, fam. Get that money. So I'm glad I sold my entire position right here on this 1 minute candle because it didn't close bullish and we started to pull, back. So now I'm down about 200 and some change on this play. I'm not going to panic. I'm still green for the day, about $800. Now, if we break above this line right here, I may average into my position. If we break above this line right here, if we break above the 796 price zone, I may average into my position and buy a little bit more. But right now, I'm going to just wait patiently for the move to develop. I'm going to wait patiently. Or I may just let this one contract play out. All right, so now I'm only down about $55. Okay, so should I buy now? I'm going to buy now right now.
Order filled.
Come on. Just purchase one more. Let's go. Come on. Just purchase one more. There we go. Beautiful. Now I'm up 100 and some change. Let's go. That's what I'm talking about. Sometimes, it pays to be patient, family. It pays to be patient. Let's go. Come on. Currently green on this play. Currently up 1,000 and some change for the day. Let's go. Come on. Pump. Pump, pump it up. Pump. There we go. Beautiful. Let's go. That's what I'm talking about. Come on. Beautiful. Keep going. Keep going up close to 1,400 and some change, family. Let's go. I'm going to take profits right now.
Order filled.
Just secure profits once again. Just secure profits once again. All right, so for the day, I am currently up $1,483.86 by playing key pre-market support and resistance levels. And remember, family, earlier I said, hey, I'm going to buy some more around the 527.27 price zone. And if you look at our chart, right, that's where the buyers stepped in at. And honestly, I already had these levels in place before the market, opened up. But that's where the buyers stepped in at, close to the Fibonacci resistance level number one. Now, if I would have held on to my position, I would have made a little bit more, but I didn't want to be greedy. I did not want to be greedy. And I had a strong feeling that they were going to step in at that price zone, because if you look over here, right, these two 1 minute bullish candles, they stepped in hard around that price zone. And that's the primary reason I decided to, average in right here in this price zone and just buy a little bit more. And look at that. It started to pump towards the upside. Now, the next key level for the Qs is going to be at $528.78. That's a Fibonacci resistance level. That's a key level. So keep a close eye on that level, because we may, keyword, possibly pump towards that price zone. But that's the primary reason I like to get in on, pullbacks. And I hate, honestly, buying up there close to resistance areas if I'm going long, because it's extremely, risky purchasing up there. And if you look at the other, 1 minute bullish candles over here in this zone right here, right, we started to reject in that area around 9:53 a.m. So that's why, it's beneficial in some cases to get in on healthy pullbacks and retracements near key price zone. And the retracement that we pulled back to earlier, it was the Fibonacci resistance level number one. And we also pulled back to our VWAP indicator. And also remember, whenever we're trading above VWAP, that's a bullish sentiment. Whenever we're trading below VWAP, that's a bearish sentiment. So on the open, I was going short because we were trading below VWAP. And I'll highlight the areas where I was going short at. I went short in this zone right here. And probably after maybe 9:44 a.m., that's when I noticed that the buyers stepped in. And I had a strong feeling that we were going to continue to pump back towards the upside. But we had a healthy retracement near our Fibonacci resistance level number one. And look at that. The Qs, they are approaching our Fibonacci resistance level number two area. And that's currently at $528.78. So family, if you were watching these support and resistance levels, you had a lot of opportunities to make some bank today. You had, an opportunity to make some bank on the open, even though it was extremely risky. And I know some traders, they might preach, hey, don't trade, the first 15, 30 minutes of the trading day. But in some cases, it's beneficial to trade the first, 15, 30 minutes of the trading day. That's if you know how to trade. And if you think about it, the first 30 minutes of the trading day, I was able to make $1,483.86. But to make those profits by utilizing the support and resistance levels that I already had set up before the trading day began. All right, so the buyers, they are currently stepping in, family, and we're approaching our Fibonacci resistance level number two. It's a strong possibility based on our technical indicators that we're about to break that level. Keep a close eye on that level, family. And I'm also going to set up an alert right there. Let me see, 528.78. 528.78. Let me see, 528.78. Let's see if we can break that level. Let's go. Let's go. And if you look at our MACD, it turned green. If you look at our RSI, it turned green on the 1 minute time frame. And if you look at these bullish 1 minute candles, they were also green as well. So that was probably about, 4 confirmations, right? And I highlighted the confirmation areas. So the first confirmation area It was RSI at the bottom of our screen. That's green. The second confirmation, it was MACD at the bottom of our screen. That was also green as well. And the green line, you see how it was trending above the red line to confirm the move towards the upside. And the next section that you want to focus on, it's volume. You see green volume bars. And if we go to the overall market chart, if you're looking at the chart, we have multiple 1 minute strong bullish candles on our chart. And we were also trading above this purple line right here. This purple line, that's VWAP. Whenever we're trading above VWAP, we're bullish. At this current moment, family, we are currently bullish, and it's a strong possibility that we're about to break this Fibonacci resistance level number 2. So keep a close eye on it. Now, if you missed that move, right, the next key price zone is going to be at $529.92. That's a key daily resistance zone. And based on what I'm saying right now, based on this strong 15-minute bullish candle, it's a possibility that we might go up to that level. So in some cases, it's beneficial to purchase your long position, early, because it's super risky purchasing up here since we're currently close near our resistance areas. It's extremely risky buying up there. Extremely risky. So please keep that in mind. If you do decide to get in, please keep that in mind. All right, so let me remove these price zones. Let me remove these price zones really quick. Let me remove these price zones. All right, family. So yeah, we're still, trending higher. The move is still looking, pretty good towards the upside. We may have another, possible retracement back down to that 528 price zone. If you missed the purchase near the 527.27 price zone retracement, and family, it was able to make, let me see, $1,483.86 today. So I'm going to close it out for the day, family. I don't want to overtrade. And, I'm extremely grateful for everyone who joined this session for today as well. So thank you all for rocking with your boy. I hope you were able to learn some valuable golden nuggets from this session. And we'll be back at it tomorrow for the $1,000 live day trading challenge. So everyone have a safe, blessed day, and make sure you're subscribed to the YouTube channel so you can stay up to date with more valuable trading tips and weekly day trading education. I'm out, family. Please, peace. Thank you all.